How to see deleted messages on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your deleted messages on Instagram. First thing first, you want to go over to Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you want to go over to the messages section down below. So just go ahead and tap on messages. Then from there, you want to go to the chat where the message has been deleted. So for example, if on this chat someone has unsent any message, what you want to do is go over to the profile icon at the bottom right. Then find the hamburger menu to go to settings. From there, go over to account center. And you want to go to your information and permission. Here you'll find an option to export your information. Tap on it. It's going to take you over to account center, and here you can easily request your information. Now from this page, you want to tap on create export and select your Instagram account. Then go ahead and tap on export to device. The next step is to select your export quality and your format. I'll just go over here, select medium quality, go back. Now you can go over to customize information. Now since everything is selected here, you can just tap on clear all and just select your messages because that's what you want. Scroll at the bottom here, tap messages and tap on save. You can clear all about your personal information, your connections and everything as well. I'll just clear all for now and just keep the messages. Tap on save. You should be good to go. Tap on start export. It's going to notify you on your email. Now just provide your password here, tap on continue, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.